Ready? Let's look at the rocket. Come stand next to me. Come stand behind my leg. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Ready to fire?
Yeah.
Jack, you ready? Hold on. Don't push it yet. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. It's not going to go in the college. Did you like it? Taylor, did you like it?
Yeah, but I used Amless.
Okay, let's find it in the sky. Here it comes down. It's coming down right where we wanted it. It's coming down fast though, so it looks like the parachute didn't pop out all the way. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.